Okay, we're up here looking for a group of friends. I'm up here with Joey, Long Beach Joey. We're up here, it's 8 o'clock Friday night, and the 2 was closed in both directions,
yes.
So we had to go down towards
well, up towards Mill Creek Summit, going out towards Palmdale, and then you could take the big Tahunga, actually it's the little Tahunga, cut off.
south, back up to the 2.
Easter, and then it comes back up, hits the 2. So right there, just past Red Box, is where it was closed. But yeah, we thought it was open all the way, but it turned out that the way to go, you had to go the long way around. But we got here.
We've taken a long way around. We're up here looking for some friends. Spend the night with them, and then we're gonna take off, do a whole separate trip tomorrow.
It's kind of like sweet tarts.
So we ended up finding them.
Yay!
Gang's all here. The Sasquatch finder himself. What did you see on the last one? You saw how many?
Mountain lions, bears, chupacabras, Sasquatch.
And 2 Sasquatch mating. Doggy style.
It was mating season.
Squatch style. Squatch style.
So here's something you don't see in camp all the time. What are you making, Joey?
This is pheasant.
Pheasant. He's
Yeah,
making
so-
pheasant.
So thank you, Paul. Paul brought him back from
See
his
this
trip
minute?
from South Dakota.
So he's got some pheasant under glass here.
There you go. Exactly.
Damn it, give me my glasses back. Now they're all fogged up.
Pheasant under glass.
Where am I?
So what are you putting in the pheasant here?
I just start with you saute your onions, and then put the mushrooms in, and then deglaze it with a little white wine, salt and pepper, and then
Deglaze.
put the pheasant over the top of it, so it's a real lean meat. So it tastes just like chicken, honestly. So you just want to let it. Not
And then you
cook
got
too
this long grain rice and some butter.
Yeah.
Oh, and let's see. I have some salt and pepper. If you need salt and pepper.
long. I got salt and pepper right here. So I think
Salt
we're
and
good.
pepper's here.
Yeah. So I think
And then
we're
you
in
get
good
some
shape.
red vines. You gonna melt
Yeah.
those red vines on it?
Nope, no red vines.
Weave
is
it on there like a
dessert.
pie.
A little lattice.
Right on. These guys already ate. Let's go find out what they had. I'm camped there. Joey's camped there. Chris is over there. Steve and Jen are right here, I think. I'm not sure where Dave is. Dave? Dave's not here.
You can just like put anything that you want to heat up in.
What did you guys have for dinner?
No.
I had chicken Alfredo pasta.
No Thai?
No.
That's unusual.
Yeah, it is.
What'd you have?
I got
I
bored
had
of the
salmon on a cedar plank.
That was beautiful.
Smoked with a brown sugar and lemon glaze on top.
Dang.
Rice pilaf. And then a salad on the side. Buffalo ranch salad, and then we had creme brulee for dessert.
Creme brulee
It's pretty epic.
the creme brulee was so good.
Is it the same one on that bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah, but the
Really good.
salmon that he made, what did you put on it? The
Brown sugar.
brown sugar. That was so good.
Well, you're about to try some pheasant.
All right.
This is delicious.
Not done if you want some.
No, you guys eat.
Raised on the radio. I'm in love with a working girl. Working girl. Jen out collecting wood.
Oh yeah.
Jen, you ever tried this?
No, I haven't.
Try that. I guarantee you'll buy some.
Ooh, it looks good.
Mountain House, blueberries with milk, granola. Half a cup of cold water. You don't even need to heat the water up. So good.
That's really good.
The milk tastes like milk.
It does.
The schnozberries taste like schnozberries.
That's good.
Smitty. Little Jimmy. Later, guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Eat all your lunch.
On to the next camp. In an undisclosed location. We gotta get back in the car. It's about 2 miles, 2.2 miles from here to the car. And then we're gonna drive a little ways and start a new one. The saga continues. If you look at this purplish brown fern, there's another one. Center of the screen, center of the screen, center of the screen, center of the screen. Upper right hand corner of the screen next to that tree. Ancient Sumerian text. These were commonly called the fro ferns. You can see why. Look at this. That's the fro fern. Look at that. Yeah, we bad. Here, hold this, Joey. Let me back up.
Nope.
There you go. That's the fro fern. That's what it looks like with my hat. Here's Joey's hat. Tuck that up under your hat. You could walk into a rival tribe and take it over. Some unknown history up here in San Diego. This is the red-headed version of the fro. That's for the stepchild in your family. And what'd you say about the milkman?
The milkman was a redhead.
It's the red-headed fro. You can buy them in a pack of 5 now, and it's called the Jackson Special. To order it, it's easy as what?
1, 2, 3. A, B, C.
The fro.